Come on, Poe. Come on. Good girl. Good morning. I'm doing another start to a video just for the reason if the sun's out. The sun is out. We haven't seen the sun here for weeks, so it's crazy. So today's Wednesday. I'm getting on with loads of bits and pieces today. I'm going to drop another bench back off with Lloyd, so that'll be good, and pick up another one to get the next. There's 2 more words to carve out. Riverside on one of the benches and House on the other, and that's it. I'm done. They have taken longer than I thought. Everything's taken longer. I'm normally pretty good with things, but this has all taken long. It's a little bit chilly, but not that bad. The sun. Oh, get out there if you can, it's beautiful. So yes, today I'm just doing this video for today. I'm filming all this and you'll see it in a couple of days time, but I've got something really cool that I'm planning to do today, so hopefully it'll be in this video and you'll be able to see what it is. But it is on the level of cool. It's just super cool. It's just brilliant. So stick with me and you'll see this one because it's really good. I'm loving it. See you in a bit. And this is it. This is the seat. It's looking really good. Fits to the wall and it's just over 2 meters long. So there's a change of plan. I'm not taking a bench with me. I thought I was taking a bench with me, but that's fine. They're sorting out some other furniture and bits going in there, some storage and interesting stuff. You'll have to follow along and you'll see that later. Somebody's been chopping down. I can smell pine. This place is great, isn't it? Look. That's a compost toilet thing. It's very cool. Ah, no log burner today. Ah. Oh well, fire's not going. This was bales of hay that they had around for the Biennale, the festival. That's what I want, that one. I want to measure that. So that's what this little video clip is about. It's about the beauty of this piece. Let me do that. I need to be outside. Right, there you go. It's about the beauty of this piece and what I needed to make my life easier, because I want to copy this. Not exactly, but this is beautiful. And basically I wanted some measurements, so let's take some measurements. We're going to do it all in inches. 20 inches back there, 17 inches back here. It's got this lovely dip here, which is absolutely beautiful. The legs splay out. The legs splay out about 3 inches off there and about 3 inches off here, and it's got this lovely club feet thing going on. If we look at it from the side, look at that. And the height is, the overall height is 16 inches. So 16 inches tall. The tenons in the top are 3/4 of an inch. So 3/4 of an inch there. It's tapering down to about 2 inches out the bottom. So I can get those out of a 2-inch plank. We've got this lovely shape going on. We've got this, which is just to die for. It's absolutely to die for. That curve is just simply gorgeous. And that curve, is it faked? No, there's a bow to the timber, but it is thin down there, so it's accentuating the curve. It's making the most of that curve. This here, blimey, this is crazy. This overhang here is nearly 5 inches. Nearly 5 inches overhang. That is crazy cool. and this overhang here is about 2.5 inches to the edge of the leg. It's beautiful. So centres from the top, let's turn it back round. Centres from the top, so here it is from the top, 2 inches in, 2 inches in, 1.75 in, 2 inches, just over 3 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, 2 inches. So about 2 inches from the outside, and wherever you want to drill the hole will do. The taper is beautiful. They're rounded. They're quite round. I think I want more. I think I want more bevels. Let me pause. This is the underside. You can see where it's been riven. Somebody used an axe or a throw on that, so that's good. What have we got there? 2 inches. Yeah, these are 1.75 inches. I can get these out of a 2-inch plank. I can get those out of a 2-inch plank. So I said 16 inches. Make the legs 17 inches long to give me some to chop off. Legs can be 17, maybe 17.5 inches long. This looks like it's some sort of elm. Right, now I'm going to drop it on the floor. I mean, the bark there is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's, I think you would sit on it this way because it's wider for your legs this way, and it's sort of leaning over. So it's sort of leaning you towards the fire. Whereas you could look at it this way and think that was the front, but I think that's the back. I think that's the back, that's the front. It's thinned down intentionally, so somebody's very crafty. 1.25 plank down to 3/4, back up to 1.25. You can see the marks, look where they were going to put it into. Maker's marks are brilliant. Has anybody stamped it? No? Oh dear, people, come on. Stamp your work. No, nobody's marked it. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to have one just similar. I'm going to make mine a little bit. Yeah. Texture, look at the texture. Love the texture. Some axe marks there. Somebody's gone over this with a chisel. Lloyd thought it was oak, I'm not sure. Don't think it's oak. The bark looks more like I don't know. Right, there you go, that's it. Make one of those.